Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Marcus and today I'm with my friend Emily.
Hi everyone, I'm happy to be here.
We will talk about something very helpful, how to practice speaking English even when you don't have a teacher or a friend to talk to.
Yes, today we talk about something many students need, conversation practice.
That's right. Speaking English is important, but sometimes it's hard to find someone to talk to.
That's true. Maybe you live in a country where people don't speak English. Maybe your friends don't want to practice with you. Or maybe you feel shy.
But there is good news. There is a way to practice speaking English. And that way is called Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a computer program, but it feels like a real person. You can talk to it, and it talks back. You can have full conversations, just like with a friend.
Yes, and it doesn't laugh. It doesn't judge. It just helps. You can practice everyday talks. You can ask questions. You can learn new words. And you can even ask it to fix your grammar.
And it's very easy to use. So in this episode, Emily and I will show you how to start talking with Chat GPT. What can you talk about? How to use it to speak English better. What else, Emily?
We will also give you some tips, examples, and ideas to try.
Alright, let's start. Okay. Let's talk about how you can use Chat GPT, not just for writing, but for talking and practicing English speaking.
Yes. Many people think Chat GPT is only for writing emails or school papers. But no, you can have a full talk with it, just like you're talking to a teacher or a good friend.
Here is how it works. You speak to Chat GPT using your phone's microphone. You can say something like, "Hey, Chat GPT, I want to practice speaking English. Can we talk about food?"
Absolutely. What kind of food are you in the mood to talk about, or you are curious about?
You see, it just talked back to me. It will answer in normal English, it will ask you more questions, and it will keep the conversation going. You can choose any topic you like. Food, travel, your job, your weekend, anything. You are in control. And if the words are too hard, you can just say, "Please use simple English and speak more slowly." Chat GPT will listen. And it will speak more slowly and clearly. You can also ask for help. You can say, "Please correct my grammar if I make a mistake," and it will do that kindly. No pressure, no shame, just quiet help. So it's not just a machine, it's more like a patient friend to talk with, a conversation buddy or friend.
Yes. And the more you talk, the better your English becomes, little by little, step by step.
So now you might be thinking, what should I talk about with Chat GPT? Well, the answer is easy. Anything.
You can talk about your day, what you ate for breakfast, and what you did yesterday.
Let's say you wake up in the morning. You can open your phone and say, "Good morning, Chat GPT. I just woke up. I feel tired. How are you?"
Good morning, I'm doing well, thank you. I hope as we chat you'll start to feel a bit more awake and ready for the day.
You see, it will answer. Now the talk has started. Tom, just like with a real person, you can also talk about things you like movies, music, food, travel, or your hobbies.
Yes, for example, I love cooking. So I ask ChatGPT, "Can we talk about Italian food today?"
Absolutely. I'd love to chat about Italian food. It's such a delicious topic, and there's so much we can explore from pasta and pizza to gelato.
Nice! And I want to try this one. Hey Chat GPT, pretend I'm at the airport. Help me speak in English slowly and clearly.
Let's imagine you're at the airport, and you need to ask for directions or help. I'll speak slowly and clearly, so you can practice comfortably. You could say, "Excuse me, could you please tell me where the boarding gate for my flight is?"
That's very helpful. Now I want to try this. Hey Chat GPT, let's talk like we are at a coffee shop. Speak slowly and clearly.
Sure. Let's imagine we're sitting in a cozy coffee shop chatting over a warm cup of coffee. So, you might say something like, "Hi, could I please have a cappuccino?" in a friendly and relaxed tone, just like we're in that coffee shop together.
That's very interesting. The main idea is this: make it about your life, talk about your real life, because when the topic is real for you, you learn faster. And remember, there is no test, there is no right or wrong answer, just easy, friendly practice whenever you want. That's the power of Chat GPT. It makes practice easy and fun. Okay, Emily, let's be honest. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak a foreign language. I'm afraid to make a mistake.
That's completely normal, Marcus. But you know what? Mistakes are part of learning. You can't get better without making mistakes.
Yes, I know you're right, but it's still hard sometimes.
I know. That's why I love using ChatGPT for practice. It gives you time to try. It gives you space to try. You can speak freely and ask for help. Let me show you how you can use ChatGPT to help you fix your mistakes. Hey ChatGPT, can you correct my grammar mistakes?
Absolutely, I'm happy to help with that. Just speak naturally, and I'll gently correct any mistakes so you can improve.
Yesterday I go to the park.
So we'd say, "Yesterday I went to the park." You're doing great. And little adjustments like that will help you sound even more natural. Instead of saying "I go," we use "went." When we're talking about something that happened in the past, "So I went to the park" means you did it yesterday.
Okay, so now you see the mistake, right?
Yes, that's really cool. ChatGPT helps you like that anytime. You can say, "Please correct me if I make a mistake." And it will do it nicely, clearly, and without judgment. Okay, Sarah, so now I understand how ChatGPT can help me speak better. But I have a question.
Sure, what is it?
How often should I talk to it, like once a week? Every day?
Great question, Marcus. The best way to get better at speaking is to practice every day. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference.
Really? Just 5 minutes?
Yes, it doesn't have to be long or hard. You can talk about something small, what you ate, how you feel, or what you plan to do later.
So I could wake up and say to ChatGPT, "Good morning, I'm feeling sleepy, I have a busy day today."
Sounds like you've got a lot on your plate today. Even if you're feeling sleepy now, I'm sure you'll handle everything wonderfully once you get going.
See? As easy as that. You can also tell it, "Ask me 3 questions about my weekend." Or, "Let's talk about the weather." Oh, I like that. It's easy, and I don't have to wait for a teacher or a class.
That's the best part, Marcus. ChatGPT is always ready. It doesn't care if it's early in the morning or late at night.
Yes, sometimes I feel too tired for a long lesson, but a short, friendly chat sounds good.
Exactly. And over time, those short chats help a lot. Your speaking becomes smoother, your new words get stronger, and you feel more comfortable in English.
Okay. Starting today, I will talk to ChatGPT every day, even just for a short time.
That's a great plan, Marcus. Keep it simple, keep it consistent, which means do it every single day, and your English will grow step by step.
Alright, and that's it for today, my friends. We hope this episode gave you new ideas and the courage to start speaking more. Even if you're learning alone, you can practice every day, even just for 5 minutes. And Chat GPT is always ready to talk with you. Thanks for listening. Keep going, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more lessons. See you in our next video.